Hey guys, if you want to take control of your money in 2026, whether you're budgeting, tracking expenses, paying off debt, or building savings, today's video is for you. I'm breaking down the best personal finance and budgeting apps you should consider this year, from beginner-friendly tools to advanced apps for money pros.
Let's get right into it.
1. YNAB. You need a budget. Best for goal-oriented budgeting and financial discipline. YNAB is one of the most highly recommended budgeting apps in the world. Its core philosophy? Every dollar you earn should have a job. You allocate every dollar to a category. Bills, savings, entertainment, everything. This zero-based budgeting method helps you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and master long-term money habits. Why it's great? Powerful goal-setting tools. Excellent for people serious about saving or paying down debt. Syncs with multiple accounts. Extensive education resources. Best for anyone who wants no-nonsense financial control.
2. Rocket Money. Best for subscription and bill management. If hidden subscriptions and recurring charges are draining your wallet, Rocket Money might become your favorite app. It automatically identifies recurring bills, even negotiates lower service prices for you. Imagine saving money without lifting a finger. That's Rocket Money's value. Standout features: subscription tracking, bill cancellation, cash flow insights. Best for people overwhelmed by monthly bills and subscriptions.
3. Every Dollar. Best for easy zero-based budgeting, created by financial guru Dave Ramsey's team. Every Dollar brings a simple, clean interface to zero-based budgeting. The free version lets you manually log transactions, while the premium version links directly to your bank and automatically categorizes transactions. Forbes, why people love it. Straightforward setup encourages intentional money allocation, free trial available. Best for beginners who want to start budgeting today. 4. Wallet by Budget. Baker's best for cash flow tracking and visual insights. Wallet shines when you want a big picture of your money. It categorizes spending automatically, highlights trends, and shows your expected net cash balances. Great visuals and automated analysis make this a favorite for everyday users. Forbes, Perk Strong Analytics. For spending habits, multiple device support, free and premium versions. Best for users who want intuitive graphs and cash forecasting. 5. Quicken Simplify. Best for household budgeting and overall finance. The app from Quicken boosts traditional budgeting tools with household finance features. It builds automatic budgets based on bills and spending. It helps you see your entire financial picture, including savings, goals, and net worth. Forbes, highlights, bill insights and spending breakdowns, shareable with partners. Predictive Budget Plan, best for families or couples managing shared finances. Which one should you pick? If you want strict savings discipline, YNAB. If subscriptions are eating your budget, Rocket Money for beginners. Every Dollar or Spend. D for visuals and cash flow. Wallet for household finances. Quicken Simplify for everyday spending clarity.